Happy Wednesday. No, Tuesday. Tuesday. I'm one day ahead of myself here. So we have some more goodies to give away, but before I do that, I definitely want to announce our winners from yesterday's Win It Before You Can Buy It for our fall winter release. And specifically yesterday we showed the school days double layout kit and the school accessory set that's coming out. Lots of fun things that you can create for a lot of memories in our lives that are important part of our lives is our school days, right? Anyways, so those winners, did one of my papers just fall? It did. Was for the double layout kit is Jackie Myers. Jackie, congrats, yay. And then for the school designer template accessory set is Sylvia Simpkins. Yes, Simpkins. Congrats, you two. You guys are our lucky winners. So we have some more goodies to give away today, just for fun, as we gear up for our August 1st fall winter release. So make sure to be checking in with your Kiwi Lane instructors. You can hop on their website, order from them. It will be live at 10 o'clock Central Time. So no worries, there is plenty, so you can get on, you can do your thing, but I know a lot of you guys are really excited to get them. So of course, sooner than later, you want to put your order in so that you can get them sooner than later. I love that a lot of you guys were mentioning too that you've been watching and thinking and gathering pictures and preparing and planning, which is always great to kind of use that motivation and that inspiration as you have it. So yay, Jackie, you're here. You're welcome. Congrats. Hey, so you too, I should mention, email support@kiwilane.com. So if you could shoot an email over to support@kiwilane.com, they're expecting your email, and then you can just let them know where to ship your prize to. Okay? All right. Now, today, I'm super excited to be sharing these two additional new products that will be released again on August 1st. This is here, let me show you guys. Our Feeling Wild. Are you feeling wild? It's a super duper cute double layout kit, just like all our other double layout kits. There is 11 sheets of paper. You can see my wallpaper here. I actually would wallpaper with this paper, how it's just so dang cute. Anyways, it's so much fun, and it's perfect for fall memories. But let me give you a close look at these papers together. So first, right off the bat, look how adorable, right? Yes, you could definitely do more like infant pictures or toddler pictures, but guys, I have pictures of my family up in the mountains in the fall, and I'm planning on using that. So actually, here, this layout that I created, because I was able to play with these ones, it's just me and my daughters from a fall event, and it worked perfect. I loved it. Okay, super, super cute. And then you flip it over. Love that. Oh, guys, I have a terrible addiction with fall. I love everything fall. Actually, a lot of times in fall, I have to like avoid stores because I just want to buy everything, whether it's clothes, it's candles, the smells, the food, all the above. I love it all. All right, here is another fun pattern that, of course, look how pretty. So they coordinate and just, it's so beautiful. I love it, right? I know. It's a fun one, Daisy. Completely, it's super fun. Just an overall just fun feel and fun colors. I love it. There's just something about this pattern that just makes me smile. I love that too. Okay, and then I'm gonna put this one up behind so you can kind of see that texture on these patterns. Linda said I'm a fall freak too. That's basically how I would sum it up, Linda. I'm a fall freak. Yay for fall freak. Hashtag fall freak, right? Love it. Okay, I know you guys, I know a lot of you have plaid lovers out there. Look at those. Look at those layered together. Isn't that just so much fun? I love it. Wait till I get to the blue in this paper palette. This color in this paper palette. It is so pretty. You have your browns, right? Isn't that fun? Definitely feels a little wild. Okay, you guys ready for this? Look how beautiful. Look at. Isn't that fun? Right? And then look at this blue. Such a pretty palette. I love it. And then you have more options just depending on the theme and the feel of your pictures. So variety is key here. We all have different memories, and I promise you'll be able to find something perfect with these. Oh, Sue, I live in a camper in a park. Well, that's awesome, nature. And so the Woodland Creatures and Kit is perfect. That's amazing, I love it. And then of course you get two double-sided sheets that allow you to be your backgrounds. So let me give you a look at those. So you got those yummy, it's like almost like a buttery yellow, and then you've got your brown, and then your crisscross that just is perfect. Look at that. I mean, seriously, I gotta show you guys this. Look at that. Is that just not so fresh? Like, you could do something clean like this, and maybe you pull in a little bit of this plaid. Oh, look how wonderful that would be. Or we can mix it up and you do, oh, there's just so many options with our layout kits. And then again, just depending on your design as you play to create, you will be surprised what you can create with this. I love, so like then, can't forget this adorable pattern here, right? And pull on some of those yellows, the blues, oh, just so many options here. And that green, oh, love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then as far as the title card goes, we have some really fun titles. Oh, I forgot to flip it again, silly me. Here we go. So that you guys can see that all correctly. All good things are wild and free. So just good outdoor pictures, enjoying life outside, breathing in the fresh air, right? All you need is love. So maybe you and your kiddos, document you and your kiddos. I'm nuts for you. That's adorable. Look at how cute. I'm nuts for you. Isn't that super cute? Clever little fox, right? Maybe some kind of pictures of mischief happening, shenanigans. I don't know. I love the feeling of autumn. Amen. I love it. I'm trying not to, I'm trying to let summer be summer, but please bring fall soon, right? Foxy. So just maybe great pictures. Somebody foxy, cute. My daughter's in here watching. I'll do pictures of you because you're foxy. Be you, because that is what suits you best. Just beautiful. And stay curious. So look how fun. Just tons of different variety options. Of course, you have this yummy green on the back. So if you don't have use for all of them, flip it over, cut some leaves out for your page. Oh, just so much fun. Okay. Yes, so that is our, oh, I forgot the name. Hold on. The Feeling Wild. I was going to call it Little Critters. But this is our Woodland Creatures accessory set. Okay. Now, I'm going to have to share some comments or some pictures in the comments when we get done. So you're going to have to come back and check them out. I could see if I could do it live here. But I had so much fun with this accessory set. It's a little bit different than any of our other accessory sets. You guys probably have seen them from your Kiwi Lane instructors, because I know a lot of them are getting their orders, and so they might have already showed you this, but it's such a fun one, and I can't wait to see what you guys create with them. So right off the bat, okay, like, you're not, these little pieces alone, you're like, what is this? Like, right? So they just have random pieces in it. Okay? So it's not quite like our other play to create accessory sets, but you still are going to play to create with this accessory set. But you're going to play to create to make your own critters. I love it. Yes, Daisy said it best. That accessory set is wild with options completely. So if you look on the back of this insert, to just kind of give you an idea, look how cute, right? So this is what you can create with them. This is what comes in the kit. And then this is just kind of like a formula, right? So it tells you what pieces, what numbers. So if you put all those numbers together, you'll be able to create those different critters, okay? So we have the variety of different ones, like I said. and then you just layer them together and you're gonna create these critters. Okay, so the 5 initial critters that we created this set, which are shown here on the back of this, is the fox, okay? So again, how cute will it be when you have this like on a page, a project, a frame, whatever you put it on. Look how cute. Little foxy with the fox, right? Priscilla, can you make a dog? I'm gonna give you guys a challenge. I'm gonna show you some additional ones that they made. Who knows? Anybody up for the challenge to see if you can create a dog? You can create so many things, Tina says. Oh wait, I don't wanna show you that one yet. Okay, a bunny, okay? Super cute bunny. A bird. You can create a bird. An owl. We all love our owls. Tina's ready to create a dog. Go for it, Tina. Go. And then we have a squirrel. So just depending on what patterns and colors, everybody's just going to look so different. And that's what's fun about creativity in general, is just seeing what everybody creates. And then I gave a challenge out to some of our Kiwi Lane instructors while we were talking about the pre-release to our instructors. And a couple of them took the challenge, actually. I was so impressed with so many. Like I said, I'm gonna have to share them in the comments here. But I had a couple that I was able to get. And we have this adorable lion. Isn't it just so cute? Actually, Tina created this, right? Tina, you're here with us live. And so cute. I loved it. And we'll share some tutorials on these. And then we have a skunk. Our instructor Mary created this. Isn't that adorable? And then we have a raccoon. But I've seen others create other versions of squirrels or skunks and raccoons specifically. And guys, there's just so many variations you could do with it beyond my own creativity. I am so excited for you guys to create with these within your own creativity, and then for us to really be inspired by each other. So that is the Woodland creatures. And so just so much fun. I know, isn't the skunk cute? Oh, I collect skunks. That's hilarious. I actually kind of made the comment that like skunks are a nuisance. I hate the smell of skunks, and it just seems like every time you're driving down the road, that smell just doesn't leave, right? But they are cute, just a nuisance. Yes, I love it. Penguin would be cute for winter layouts, Misty says. Oh, I bet you can create a penguin. Oh, it's just, and I bet you can create a dog, like was suggested. So what else can you create with this? This is the challenge for sure. All right, guys, well, leave a comment. Let me know what, I don't know, what you love most about fall. It's really hard, I get it. But leave a comment, let me know what you love most about fall, or what fall memories will you use this double layout kit for? Is there something specific? Maybe a trip that you took with your families, camping pictures. Maybe you have pictures of your family that you guys took last fall for family pictures. If there is something that instantly came to mind that you're like, oh my gosh, that's perfect for these memories, to do those memories justice, leave it in the comment. We're gonna pick 2 winners tomorrow. We'll announce the 2 winners, and then we'll be back on to showcase one more product that we're super excited about tomorrow. And then Thursday is